here's how to create this echo text animation in Premiere Pro. Go to your Type tool and type in some text. Then head over to Properties and make whatever changes to the text that you want. Uncheck Fill and check off Stroke. Move your playhead to the 1 second mark and press Ctrl K to make a cut. Go to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for position. Then move your playhead to the start of the first clip segment. Increase the vertical position until your text moves off the screen. Now highlight both keyframes and right-click. Select Tempo Interpolation and Ease In. Then right-click again, but select Ease Out this time. To complete our animation, go to Effects and search for Echo. Add the effect to the first clip. Now under Effect Controls, modify the number of echoes to 6 and change the value of decay to 0.50.